If you're a victim of acne like me but want to do the perfect Eid makeup or the classic white dress, then stay tuned because today your gal is gonna show you how to do the perfect Eid makeup in a simple, easy way using the simplest products ever. Without the foundation. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to learn it and slay the seed. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this started.
So first I'm going to tie my hair because it bothers me a lot in this heat. And now I'm going to use Baby Skin Purizer from Maybelline to give my skin and makeup a flawless look. And of course, because my skin is really dry these days, so it helps. Now I'm going to use this muted pink shade on my lid because my dress has silver in it. But yeah, feel free to use warm tones of brown, nude brown, if you have brown in your dress. So I'm blending it with my fingers because of course the best blending and the natural look comes when you blend with your fingers. And you can see how subtle it looks. And now I'm using this angled brush for the eyeliner and to create a wing. Of course, the idea is to go very light because we are going for a subtle natural look. So making the wing with an angled brush is easy peasy, just like a piece of cake. And yeah, going on my full lid and thickening it from the middle part. Now for the lid shine, I'm going to use this pinkish glittery eye shade on the middle part of my eye. Very little subtle amount, and you can see how it has changed the overall eye makeup. And now I'm removing the excess eye shade and now using this very lightly on the inner section of my eye. Now using the silver on the lower part of the lid because again my dress has silver. So if your dress has gold in it, what you need to do, use warm tones on the eye lid and then the gold on the lower lid. Now I've used this brown eye shade on the lower lid underneath the silver and blending it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm using this foundation as a concealer and correcting those spots where correction needs to be done. Ever so lightly, and it does not look very harsh. Now I'm doing it on the under eyes as well. This is really beautiful foundation from Inglot Cosmetics. Now I'm using this Elegant concealer as a highlighter and of course using it to lift my face. You can see the marks I'm making, and now with a damp beauty blender I'm blending it very gently and with a lot of precision as to not to remove those lines but blend them very well. Now from those parts where I haven't used a concealer, I'm going to use the same foundation which I use as a color corrector so that the foundation looks smooth and there is no harsh line. And now for the contour, I'm using this Luscious Cosmetics contour palette and using their powdered dark chocolate contour, making those lines on my nose, on my cheeks, on my temple in order to give my face a very chiseled look, and I'm like blending it. Now I'm using this blush from MAC Cosmetics, Dilly Dolly, very old blush that I have. Now because my lips are very dry, so I just use Vaseline, and I'm just setting my face with the setting powder, and I'm using this pinkish lipstick from MAC Cosmetics in order to tint my lips. Because whenever I have to use light makeup, I do this type of technique. I tint my lips and then use a gloss. So today I'm going to use this uh, lip gloss from Rimmel. But before, let's use this highlighter on the higher points of my face. It's again from the same palette. Really beautiful. I don't know whether it's gold or something in between, but a very beautiful shimmer. Okay, this is the baby lips from Rimmel, and the makeup is complete, as you can see. Oh, the mascara is remaining. So I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, the Colossal Cotton Mascara. And I just love this lip gloss from Rimmel. It's so thick, it's just like a lip oil. In fact, it is a lip oil, as you can see. And you can see how natural the makeup looks, and of course, the gorgeous white dress. The white dress is awesome for Eid.
So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to do it on Eid. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves. Love you guys. Ciao. Don't forget to do this makeup on Eid and make all the heads turn. Not like zombies.